In this video I'm going to show you how to hide notifications on your iPhone. That's quite simple and easy, so let's begin. First, open up your settings and here select notification. And on that screen you can customize your notifications as you want. You can select in that list any application, let it be Instagram, and here select how notifications will be displayed for that specific application. First, you can allow or disallow all the notifications from that app. Also, you can switch where exactly notifications will be shown. It can be lock screen, notification center or banners. You can select any of that options or specific one or all the options at the same time. Also, you can select banner style, temporary or persistent, and sound or badges for the notifications, and also lock screen appearance. And if you go back, you can select and switch the notification settings for every specific application. I hope it helps you, so before you go, please like and subscribe.